UpperBee is a comprehensive property management platform primarily built for condominiums and homeowners associations, focusing on centralized communication, accounting, document storage and maintenance tracking. One of its advantages is its transparency between property managers, board members and residents through their shared portal and real-time updates. This system helps reduce administrative duplications by combining multiple functions all in one platform. This helps reduce efficiency for large communities. UpperBee also supports structured governance, making it useful for board-driven environments. However, its pricing can be higher compared to simpler alternatives, which may not be ideal for smaller properties. The platform also has required significant onboarding time. Users who are less tech-savvy may need training to utilise the full features of UpperBee. Customization options can feel limited depending on your community needs. Despite these drawbacks, UpperBee performs in a well-organised, multi-unit settings. It's reliable and structure makes it appealing to professional managers. Overall, it's the best suited for medium to large residential communities. Small landlords may find it excessive for only basic needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.